Good day everyone, welcome to Levine Optics. Levine Optics. On this tutorial I'm going to show you on how to design YouTube banner. Also teach you on how to design YouTube logo. Before we start this tutorial, remember to subscribe to our channel Levine Optics. Levine Optics, click on subscribe and notification bell. Thank you. Firstly, we need to register a free Canva account. You need to register a free Canva account. You can register a free Canva account. Canva. Here is the account. You can register a free, sign up for free. Although I've already have a account, premium account, you can sign up if you want. Sign up with your Google. You can also sign up with your Facebook account. You can continue with email and sign up to email. And I've already have an account. Here is my premium account which I've already logged in. Here is it. So the first thing to do is click on template. You want to create, design YouTube banner. Click on template here. Template is going to bring out the free template on Canva. Free template on Canva. Here is a free template on Canva. Let's locate social media to look for the YouTube banner. Just click this arrow, click here, YouTube banner. This is YouTube thumbnail, YouTube banner. Here is YouTube banner. Click on YouTube banner here. It's going to bring up all the templates. Here are all the templates on YouTube. These are all the templates. So you can choose one. You can choose any one of the templates to edit. You can choose any one of the templates to edit. Okay, let me choose one for us to edit. Let me choose this. Click on this. It's going to bring you this, and click on customize this template. Customize this template. Now it's going to bring you to this page. So the next thing for us to do is we want to edit this banner. How are we going to edit this banner? You can choose another template. Those are other templates on YouTube banners. Other templates, but we have already chosen this to edit. So what are the things to do? We can change this picture, you can change this background, you can change the text, you can change all the content on the banner. So let's start with this background. You can delete and look for another background. Let's click on photo to look for background. You can look for another background there. You can see the banner background. You can search for background to bring out different background. You can see those are the different background. Canva different background. Okay, let me just look for one. Let me look for this. You can see this. Just dragging to fit. You can see to fit the page. Just drop it. Hold on. So just drop it. Drop this. can see, just drop it like that. You can see the background has already changed. You can see the background has changed. So the next thing for us to do is change this picture. Just click on delete and look for another picture. You can female doctor. You can see here female doctor. You can drag any. Let's drag this to inside. You can see. Drag. Let's choose another one. Let's click for another one. Yes. Let's choose this. No, drag inside. Double click and you can see. So beautiful. The next thing to do is we have already fixed the picture. So let's change this text. Let's change this text to Levine Optics banner. Can drag this banner. You can see. So we can change this as well. Share knowledge of tech technology strategy. You can see the next thing to do, we can drag this if you want. Drag this, drag the like, drag this as well. The red, drag this, drag it in, drag this, and drag it in. You can see so beautiful banner. We can change this, the live. You can change it if you want. So you can see so beautiful. The next thing to do is we have already fixed the picture. So let's change this text. Let's change this text to Levine Optics banner. You can drag this banner. You can see. So you can change this as well. Share knowledge of technology strategy. You can see the next thing to do, we can drag this if you want. Drag this, drag the like, drag this as well. The red, drag this, drag it in, drag this, and drag it in. You can see so beautiful banner. We can change this, the live. You can change it if you want. So that's all. We are through with the design now. The next thing to do is name your work. Name your work here. Levine Optics banner. I've already named it now. The next thing to do is download this, your work. Download, click on share, click on download here, and click on JPEG here, and click on download to download what you have designed. Click on the download button. See, it's downloading your work now. Just wait. Your work has been downloaded. You can see. You can click on view to view your work. Click on view to view your work. that's a work. So hope you learned from this tutorial. Remember to subscribe to Levine Optic channel. Subscribe, click on subscription bell, and click on the notification bell for more videos from Levine Optic. Thank you for watching. Thank you. We love you. Bye.